Hi, David. I really enjoyed watching your video. I really like that you started off the video with the agenda for the day or for your presentation by listing what you are going to discuss. I think this is a good outline for you and a good outline for the teachers so that they know what is coming for them during the presentation. They're a little bit prepared and in that right mindset. So I liked that. Nice job with that. There was tons of really great information with this presentation that can be really useful for your staff as they think more about the assessments that they're using in class. I really enjoyed your section on the difference between assessment and evaluation. I think this is a really good reminder for teachers as they head into reflecting on their assessments and as you challenge them to do that. I'm glad that you gave your staff the examples of various assessments that they may give that can be culturally responsive. You also kept a really strong focus on student learning, and I really like that you kept focusing on looking to the future for those students too, because that's a really good reminder that teachers aren't just doing this for this year. It's not just an initiative for this year. It is a continual thing, and it's going to constantly be a need for the students. I'm really glad to provide this feedback for you quickly in a video. I think it's a lot more realistic too for us as we move towards our future of being administrators and working with teachers and giving them feedback. So I think you've done a really great job with this presentation. You definitely understand all of the content that comes with assessments. And I think that your teachers will benefit from you as a leader really greatly. So I continue to look forward to working with you in this class.